We will take a look at Graphite. I'm going to start mapping the stock's trajectory. Very volatile stock, strong uptrend, expects the trend line, but is not giving me a lot of confidence. The stock is experiencing resistance. Instead of reactive buying, let's look at some predictive levels. One high has already been breached. This is another high. You can extend backward to see interaction with this zone from historical trends. This is another high. Also, look at the Fibonacci retracement. 23.6 is breached. 32.8 level, and this resistance, now support, also lies here. So 462 is a good level to look at, and the stock is in a corrective mode. Strong negative divergence on the daily time frame, which means that the stock is on a downward trajectory. Let's also look at the 75-minute time frame. 75-minute time frame is bearish. Wait for it to come down to 465. Stocks react very beautifully to the 38.2 retracement level. Look for entry around that level. As per Elliott wave theory, also this is the fourth wave, and this looks like the ABC correction. Impulse typically reverses around fourth wave of the previous rally. This becomes a potentially strong entry level for us.